All right, good day, everybody. Now, this information is for those that have shown interest to register in Skyway. Now, remember, a link will be sent to you from whoever that introduced Skyway to you. Now, once that link is sent to you, all you need to do is to click on the link. When you click on the link, you fill in your name. Remember, we'll have if you have 3 names or you have 4 names, your surname is always one. Then the other names goes under first name. This is the process of registration I'm trying to show you now. The other names goes under first name. So don't make that mistake. Your surname is always one, then other names goes under first name. Now once that is done, you put your phone number. Remember to start with +234. And when you start for +234, then you have to remove the first 0 in your phone number. Put it there. Email address, make sure it is complete or is correct, right? Correctly spelled, the letters, the word, make sure everything is intact. Then click on the checkbox, then click on submit. After clicking my I'm not a robot, you click on submit. Now once that is done, they are going to send you a mail with a link, right? Now once you get that link, all you need to do is to click on that link. When you click on that, it's going to open a page where you are going to put your full names. Now the second page, the link that we're going to send to you, you're going to see where you're going to put the surname. In the first one, there's no space for surname, it's only first name. So you now see the space for surname, now put the surname, then confirm the phone number, confirm the email address. Then also take note, whatever information you must provide at this point must be the same information on the ID card or valid means of identification you want to use. Get this, don't make this mistake. It must be the same thing, even if you have 4 names and what is in your ID card is 2 or 3. It's that one on the ID card that you must use. Do not add and do not subtract, because the information you are going to fill will be the same. They are going to confirm it when you upload that identity, and once there's a discrepancy, it will not fly. They will reject it. So to avoid those back and forth stress, it's better for you to do the right thing at the onset. Now put the surname, confirm the first name, email address, then your password. There's an instruction for password. Try to read that instruction. But if I must tell you, the instruction is you have to use a capital letter, small letter, number, and any of those signs. You can use asterisk, you can use $sign, you can use percentage or whatever, any of those signs on your system. So these 4 must be contained in your password, else they will keep rejecting it. A lot of people are always stuck when it gets to there. So you must make sure this is contained in your password. Now once that is done, you click on I'm not a robot. There's a checkbox. Now after that, there's after the checkbox, there's one that says you are registering a country, that you are registered from a country that is not under Russian Federation. That is the 4th checkbox. The 4th checkbox under other citizens. That you click on that, then click on I'm not a robot, then your password, put your password and click continue. Once that is done, the main page will now open to you. The Skyway back office will now be open to you. Now that is step 2. Step 3 is you click on verification. Make sure you have your ID card handy and already snapped or scanned in your phone or in your laptop, whatever system you are going to use. Make sure you have it already. You click on verification, then you click on the form. There's in blue form, you see fill. Click on that, then fill in those details as it is on that ID card. Like I said, don't add, don't subtract. Even the address on the ID card, that's what I always recommend: national ID card, voter's card, or driver's license. Stop using international passport. The reason is simple: there's no address for international passport. So for you to save yourself the stress of trying to bring the proof of address, because you must bring a proof of address if you are using international passport. So now what is the proof of address? You have to get any of these 3 that I mentioned, or you have to get your NEPA bill or your bank statement to get this proof. But if you have the national ID card, everything is contained in it, so you go straight. right? You snap front and back. Make sure it is clear and readable. Clear and readable. So fill in those information. Even the address on those identity card must be filled. We know that you have relocated from there. Now, when Skyway is about sending your certificate for you, they will now request for your new ID card, your new address. Sorry. So you now give to them for them to send your certificate for you. But whatever information you must fill must be same on that means of identification. So that one has about 4 pages. The verification has about 4 pages. Page 1, you open, when you click on continue, it opens page 2, where you're going to put the ID number. Now look for the serial number of that ID card. Look for the serial, if it's a national ID card, look for the NIM number, NIM number. That's what you're going to put there. For the driver license, there's a number on it. The same thing to other means of identification. Once that is done, click next. Country of registration, Nigeria. Authority, you put under authority, put Federal Republic of Nigeria. So don't go and put National Identity Management Card. No, Federal Republic of Nigeria is what I'm going to put there. Then after that, now open the page where you're going to upload the document. So you upload the front, upload it. When you, after refreshing, you upload the second one again. So once that is done, click on that I've completed and I've uploaded the 2 documents required. Then once that is done, click save. Don't break your head going to look for NEPA bill. Upload this front and back, make sure they are clear. Click save. Then it will pop up an information telling that verification takes 24 hours and they don't work on weekend. You say okay, close it. Make sure you close at that point. If you don't close it, it will remain open. It will not be verified. Verification takes 24 hours. If you click on verification on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, they don't work. So it's on Monday. Even on Monday, you have to check from 1 p.m. But ideally, if you click on normal days, like today is Monday, by tomorrow 11 or 1 or 2 o'clock, they should be able to verify you. If that is not done, towards evening, go and check. If it's not verified, they will tell you the reason why it was not verified. Verification does not take up to more than 24 hours. So if it exceeds, that means there's an issue. You need to address it. Before then, they always send you email telling you this is the reason why you were turned down. So look at all of this. This is just the process of verification. Subsequently, I'll be coaching you on how to make your payment for those that are using a MasterCard or Visa card or cryptocurrency. So thank you for now. This is the process. Thank you very much.